Liquid liner sometimes takes forever, especially when you're kind of a perfectionist and you want things to be equal and even and symmetrical, and that takes a long time. What I have been doing lately instead is using eyeshadow for my eyeliner. It is so much easier. You just need a brush like this. It is a liner brush, but I like the ones with the angle just because it's easier for me to use. Okay, so I have loaded some product onto my liner brush. I'm going to tap off any extra because this is dark eyeshadow and it can sometimes fall out onto your face. I always start with my eyes though to avoid that fallout because it does happen. It does happen even with the best of eyeshadows. I'm getting close to my mirror here, so we are starting by just tapping. We're just placing that product down, picking up more as we need it. Tap, tap, tap. Get very close as you can to your lashes. And then I blend it, but I don't drag too much. And I don't go all the way in. However, I do want it to kind of fade. Again, I don't want there to be a very abrupt start or stop. So just kind of feather the start of it. And then at the end, I'm going to extend it so that I have a bit of a wing. So again, I'm not pulling, okay? Because if you do that and you place product, when you let go, it's gonna land somewhere different, okay? It's not gonna land where you think. So don't pull, okay? Just leave your eye open so that I can see where the heck my hood is. And I am going to stamp. Okay, stamp it, and then fill it. Now once I know, okay, this is where I want it to be, okay, now I can pull and fill in the gaps. Can you see the difference? Can you see the eyeshadow and how it just adds a little bit more dimension from this eye to this eye? Very soft. It's not going to be a super crisp eyeliner look if you use eyeshadow, but I really like it. I like how soft it is. I'm going to make the other eye match. Okay, I think I got them as even as I can. So you got to keep in mind sometimes your eyes themselves are not even. My hood comes down in a different place on this eye than on this eye, so I try to make it as symmetrical as I can, knowing that, you know, my face is not the most symmetrical face. Let's just check out the final look right here. I'm loving it. I like how everything came together. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you liked it. And if you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to hit subscribe. Have a great day, you guys.